Ang ganda nung sinabi mo, sabi mo, yung work mo is just an extension of your ministry, which is tama. Naalala ko, that's the reason why yung podcast na to, it's entitled Beyond the Desk eh. Kasi yung identity ng isang tao, they can easily parang mistaken it na yung identity nila is based dun sa work, sa career, or business, or whatever label. Kasi ang tagal nating nag-aral para makakuha ka ng profession or yung career na bata pa lang mina-mindset na sa'yo. It's easy for us to mistaken our true identity with this, alam mo yon, with this career or with this business, not knowing na yung career natin, there is more. Alam mo yon, there is more than just being a what? A realtor, a doctor, a professional, or whatever. There is more to life na yon, at the end of the day, ang katotohanan, ang number one ministry natin kay God, yung relationship natin kay Lord, yung relationship natin with people, and doon pumapasok yung career natin. So tama ka, yung career mo, yung business mo, it's just an extension of your ministry.